So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-transfer ng BDO credit card points papunta sa ating SMAC or SM Advantage card at Prestige card. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na meron kayong BDO Pay app na naka-install sa inyong phone and dapat naka-sign in or naka-log in yung account niyo sa BDO online. So katulad nito guys, meron akong BDO Pay, so dapat meron kayo nito para makapag-transfer tayo ng BDO credit card points. So open lang natin guys yung BDO Pay kapag meron na kayong BDO Pay. So, ayan guys, dito, hanapin nyo lang or i-open nyo lang yung account niyo sa BDO credit card. So, tap lang natin. And ayan guys, pag-open, ganito yung lalabas. So, kung makikita nyo, meron akong available credit card peso points na 5.55. So, pwede siyang i-transfer guys since ang minimum amount natin para makapag-transfer ng points is 1 peso or 1 peso points. So, hanapin nyo lang guys dito sa baba, sa tab na to, yung transfer peso points. So, tap lang natin guys. So, ayan, pagka-open guys, or pagka-tap, ganito yung lalabas. So, piliin nyo dito yung SMAC or SMAC Prestige card. So, meron kasi kayo guys, pwedeng pagpilian dito na 3. So, ito yung piliin nyo, SMAC Prestige. So, kasi dito tayo mag-fill up ng ating form. So, dito guys, para ma-fill upan, zoom in ko lang, lagay nyo yung SMAC number ninyo. So, makikita yan guys sa card ng inyong SM Advantage card or SMAC card or Prestige card. So, lagay nyo lang guys yung 11-digit SMAC number dito. So, since dito natin ito transfer yung points, yun yung ilalagay ninyong SMAC number kung kanino natin ito transfer. So, dito naman guys, points to transfer is kung magkano yung transfer natin. So, lagay ko na lang guys is 5 since meron akong available na 5.55. So, ayan guys, okay na tayo kung kanina natin isi-send yung points. So, dito sa SMAC number na to, and then yung amount is 5. So, dito naman tayo sa transfer from. So, ilalagay natin dito guys yung details ng ating credit card na mayroong available credit card points. So, lagay nyo lang guys yung first 6 digit ng inyong credit card number. And then, after nyo malagay yung first 6 digits ng inyong credit card, so dito naman tayo sa last 4 digits naman ng inyong credit card din. So, ayan guys, after nyo ilagay yung information ng inyong credit card number, so lagay nyo naman yung inyong first name. So, first name to guys ng credit card points na panggagalingan ng ating if-transfer. So, lagay nyo lang. And ayan guys, after yung ma-fill upan yung form, so tap nyo lang to guys, I'm not a robot. So, nakalagay guys, ang 1 peso point daw is equivalent to 1 SMAC point. So, same lang sila guys ng amount. So, kapag okay na guys, double check nyo yung information. Transfer to is ilalagay nyo yung SMAC number kung kanina nyo isa-send na SMAC number. And transfer from is information ng credit card number kung saan magagaling yung points. And then, check nyo yung I'm not a robot. And kapag okay na guys, tap nyo na yung transfer points. So, check nyo lang guys itong checkbox. And tap natin yung next. So, ayan guys, kukonfirm lang natin, ito yung review and confirm transaction. So, magsasend out tayo ng 5 peso points galing sa credit card natin papunta sa SMAC number or sa SMAC card number na to. So, tap lang natin guys yung confirm. So, ayan guys, processing na yung ating pag-transfer and magsasend sila ng acknowledgement SMS kapag yung request natin is na-credit na sa ating SMAC card. So, usually guys, 7 to 10 banking days yung processing ng pag-credit ng points. So, intayin nyo lang guys na may mag-send sa inyo ng SMS acknowledgement. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-transfer ng BDO credit card points pupunta sa SMAC or ating Prestige card. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life